Beetlejuice. No, it's me. It's Luis Martin, the art engineer, and we're live. How are you? All right, look at this. Isn't this beautiful? Hey, what's going on over there? Hey, Tom. Hey, Sanabria. Oh, it's Madeline, the inoculated bionic woman. Look at this. I am so excited. I got this from Art Historian 1, one of our best friends. So happy. How is everyone? Hey, Lucky Star, have you guys checked his video out? So good. ¿Qué tal? Hola, hola. So I have my drink, hibiscus, Jamaica, Mexican, Jamaican, Caribbean. I also have notes, my prompter, but the door's closed. Elvis, can you open the door? Hi, Elvis, how are you?
Hello, how are you?
It's so funny. I haven't seen you all day. How have you been?
Busy working.
Busy working, gross. So I've been busy working, and look what I have. The March Collage Kit is out. I'm not going to talk about it too much today because I have something else I want to work with you, but get it, it's fun. So I just got a bunch of magazines in the mail. So what happens when you get a bunch of magazines in the mail? You get repeated advertising. Hey, what's going on over there? So I thought it'd be really fun to, A, get some repeated imagery and see what we can do with it, and B, read my horoscope. All right, so I'm a Gemini. No judging. It says, Gemini, others keen to discuss plans for a trip or get together may question why you have little to say on the subject. You'll just be managing your expectations, but avoid coming off as a killjoy. Lucky days, March 4th. Today, I'm lucky. The truth emerges, making a tricky situation manageable. What are you?
Pisces.
Pisces. Oh, your birthday's coming up. Anyway, okay, Pisces. One more. Pisces, you shouldn't feel guilty if you crave alone time this month. Aww. It won't be forever, so you need not worry about offending those who would be happy to spend every waking moment with you.
Aww.
Anyway, so that's, let me know what your sign is, and maybe I'll read your zodiac. So yeah, you get these magazines. If you're lucky like me, you'll subscribe to all of them, and you're gonna get these repeated imagery. So check this out. Come over, Elvis. And then you'll see. So I collected a few from my Bazaar and my Vogue. Look at these. Someone had actually called me out, like, how are you gonna sell your collage on someone else's creative work? Well, the only way I can answer that is through a challenge. So I'm challenging you, and I've said this before, if you've watched, you know, change it as much as you can, right? So we're gonna play with these things right now. Another thing you'll always get are the perfume ads. I love it. Okay, so we'll play with this as well, but this is not a repeat, but these are. So let's play with this. Hey Karen, what's going on over there? All right, so check this out. Same image, let's see what we can create. Don't worry about this, we can always deal with that. So you guys, I'm gonna totally annoy you with this sound. But you know what? I love that sound because it reminds me of my grandmother. She's still very much alive, crazy as ever. But when I was a kid, she always had bangles. She always had all this jewelry. And so now every time I want to conjure my grandma, that's all I have to do. So how do you do it? Okay, here we go. So this is cool. And then maybe I want to rip this to create some texture. Awesome. So that's 1. 2. And maybe we don't even have to cut it out. Maybe we can do something interesting, right? Oh, we can make an animation. All right, no, I want to cut it out. Let's see what we do here. So yes. Collage Kit's out, and tomorrow is the premiere. Isn't that exciting, you guys? I always wanted to be like an actor and have a premiere. Now I get to have a freaking premiere on YouTube. So tomorrow, 7 p.m., you get to see the premiere of the unboxing of the March Collage Kit. And I'll be on hand answering comments and questions and all that fun stuff. So please join me if you have nothing else to do on a Friday afternoon. Oops, I killed her lips, but it's okay. So we have 2. And then we have 2 of this. So let's see what else we can do here. So I don't like this. Why? Because it's too similar, right? Warm and warm, it'll disappear. So maybe we won't use this off the bat. One thing we can use is definitely this. Check this out. So always we want to hide the branding because, yeah, that's not fun. Oh, that's kind of cool, right? That's super wicked. All right, let's play with this. What if we do this? Oh, wow, that's kind of dark, you guys. I love it, though, right? Even though I'm dressed like Beetlejuice, I think I need to go a little lighter as far as thematic, but we'll see. All right, cool. So we have this. You know what? I'm just going to play with this. Actually, no, you know what? I will go into this. So this is the Collage Kit, and in it this month you will get something from Vintage Peanuts Gang. So I'm just gonna take this out now because look what they have. When you order it, you're gonna get a few of these pages, and look at these huge bubbles. So let me use one of them. I don't like pop art like this, but I will use the thought bubble because I think it's interesting. What does it say? Well, I was gonna say I saw a duck and a horse, but I changed my mind. Yeah. So let's see. So Elvis, your birthday's coming up.
It is coming up.
What do you want to do?
Not sure yet.
All right, all right.
We used to travel a long time.
Longtemps, tu parles français?
Oui.
Très bien. Someone left the comments today in Portuguese and I had to do a Google thing. I think it was a good thing, I don't remember. All right, cool. So check this out. So now that we have like these lips, we can have a thought bubble. And look, oh, perfect. It is big enough to do that. Love it. All right.
So Tokyo loves abstracting pop art.
Isn't that cool? Hey, it's Erin and Anesta. It's a party, you guys. Oh, she says happy birthday, Elvis.
Thank you, Anesta.
So good to see Anesta and Erin in the same moment. I don't know. Is this a room? What are we doing here? Yeah, this is really fun. You are a really good abstract collage artist, I must say, Erin.
So my birthday is on Tuesday, the 9th.
Who said?
Maggie?
No way, is it? How fun. We're gonna have to celebrate. All right, so here we go. So this is happening. We have 2 of these as well. So let's see. I'm gonna take this guy, but remember when you're working with magazine paper, it's really thin, it's really fragile. So you have to kind of double it up. Double it up and see what happens. And actually, I guess this is the only double image that I'm using, which is fine. But look what you can do. These circles are perfect for hiding the words, right? Oh, this is fun. Maybe I just need 2 or 3. I like that, Yeah. So another thing that always happens, hey, what's going on over there? Is you're gonna get tons of these perfume ads. And these bottles are fantastic to play with as well. But today I am, of course, enamored by the flowers because, what? You can never go wrong with flowers.
Someone's asking me, what is my quintessential birthday meal? I would have to say I've always loved like a fettuccine Alfredo.
Yes, you do.
You know I do.
So Elvis is an amazing baker. You can follow him at Chunky Baker. He's a baker, but he also makes amazing food. We are lucky enough to live in a neighborhood where there's a lot of great food, and a restaurant that we like to go to is La Nonna, which is an Italian place, right? You like their food?
I love their food.
All right, let's take out some flowers here. Any other Pisces out there? It's kind of a weird time to celebrate because it's kind of okay, but it isn't, but it is. All right, but we can cope. So some other really great, exciting news on our end is Domingo Columns is featuring my work, you guys. So if you're in the market for some art, go check Domingo Columns. And also, you can listen to the podcast. I interviewed the founder of Domingo Comms, Veronica Petty, and she's a fantastic conversationalist. I was really basic and was calling it Domingo Commons, like the Woodbury Commons, but that's not the deal. So check it out. Oh, you know, this reminds me so much of our beautiful Grace Jones, right? This is beautiful Grace Jones vibes. Sheesh. So whenever you can nestle stuff, try to nestle. See how this would fit perfectly there? But I mean, if you just overlap that over her cheek, it just becomes magic. So try to go that extra step to sell the illusion. I'm losing my voice here. See, isn't that's just cool. Love it. And who cares? We don't need to see the thought bubble, although I might move it so it looks like a thought bubble. Yeah, perfect. And then, I mean, let's see, what poetry can we create here? There's this great guy who does this poetry by eliminating. I can say...
So Neo Tokyo says, I think it's a perfect time to celebrate. It is needed to remind ourselves to celebrate life.
Hell yeah. That's why I like Neo Tokyo. He is on it. I was going to a horse, see, but my mind. There, I did Dada poetry. How about that? I love it. All right, so this is awesome. You know what? So here's the thing. I love it, but the composition is off. So who cares? All you can do is cut it. If the composition is too wonky, if it's too weird, you can always crop it out. So I'm gonna crop this out because it makes me a little sad. Yeah, isn't that better? And I always love a torn edge. I think this is enough, but maybe I can add something else. I love collages that smell, so if I add more of this, it'll forever have the smell of this ad. So okay, we have that, we have that. We have this. Any other requests for, like even this, like who'd have thought, right? Maybe we can do something with this black strip. And we'll leave a little edge just for intrigue. Like, check that out. Why not, right? It almost looks like a, I don't know, like a key or something.
Exclamation point.
An exclamation point with 2 exclamations. Yeah, I like this. I'm keeping it. Love it. So, I mean, you don't need a lot, you guys. You can really just create a pattern using solid colors, kind of like I'm doing right now. Hey, what's going on over there? Is that Agatha over there?
Put a butterfly.
Put a butterfly. Oh, my butterflies. Check this out. So this is kind of like a tribute to Grace Jones without even trying, huh? Okay, I'm in love. I love this. I mean, if you want to go further, you can like tag it up a little bit, whatever you want, but I think I'm done. Maybe I'll be more emphatic with crossing these words out. Right, there you go. I was going to a horsey, but my mind, maybe I'll even go behind this because love it. There, I made a collage, you guys. Thank you for joining me. What do you think? All right, I think we're done. Do you want to go around? Beetlejuice, 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 no kidding. So this is it. I made a collage. I'll post it up. Be sure you join me tomorrow for the premiere of the Collage Kit for March. And if you remember, you can go to the website now and check out the prompt. That's live. And it's a tough one this time around. And I did it with you and I messed up. But who cares? Go check it out. Have a great week. I'll see you guys later.